Hi there from Bugeye, and welcome to a short video about a Bugeye that we have called Spice. Here's Spice starting up outside our building. This is a really solid car that came from California, or Arizona by way of California by way of Arizona. Very well restored car, really nice car. So hopefully that will come across in this video because I like this one a lot. It's just a dry car all its life. I think it was a white car originally because the underside is white, but you'll hear here it's got a nice 1275 engine and sounds great. Also, I really just appreciate that the paintwork is excellent on this car. It's nice to have a wire wheel car as well, so I think most people would be very happy with Spice. So this is the sort of car that we really like to get because everybody's done all the body work and the paint work. It's just a very solid and really beautiful car. There are going to be these few little things that we can improve on. For example, the tonneau has some chafing. It might look better with a new tonneau. Sounds so nice though, doesn't it? Also, there's an extra temperature gauge you see right below my right knuckle. And that may just be because the old one was broken and they added that and then fixed the current one because the current one's working just fine. So for example, it could also be engine oil temperature, and I want to confirm that's what it is or isn't before we start changing it. But the bottom line is that with all of our cars, we're always making them better before they leave the building. And this one sounds really nice and it's just basically ready to go, but there are a few little things. The other thing is, for example, the trim bar right by my hand there on the turn signal switch is uncovered. They were covered with vinyl. It would look good with red vinyl covering. Totally optional. Maybe the new owner does or doesn't want to spend money on that, and that's fine. Either way is fine, but those are all things that we can do. The car runs good and true and straight when you get it up to speed, and I'm very, very happy that we have this car, and it also has those nice wing mirrors on the windshield stanchions. So there's really a lot to like about Spice, and so if you're interested, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to send the car your way, and thank you so much for your support and for coming for a drive with us today. Have a good one.